MOJOCO Portable Clothes Dryer. Let's start with product the MOJOCO Portable Clothes Dryer. This dryer is designed for people who want maximum portability and minimum setup. It's lightweight, foldable, and incredibly easy to store, making it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, or even travel use. In real-world use, this dryer works by circulating warm air evenly around your clothes, helping them dry gently without damaging fabrics. It's perfect for small loads like t-shirts, underwear, baby clothes, or towels. What really stands out is how simple it is. Plug it in, hang your clothes inside, and let it work. No complicated controls, no heavy lifting. Honest positives. Extremely portable, very quiet, energy efficient, budget friendly. Who should buy this? This is best for single users, students, travelers, or anyone with very limited space who needs a simple drying solution.